Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so, excuse me. Alright, so I just got this package from via FedEx, or my itchy, and I kind of already, I've already sliced it open, or tried to open it with my hands without using scissors. Alrighty, so, let's see here. It's I got this from Tryit, link down in the description. Alright, so what I got is the Dove Nourishing Hand Sanitizer Deep Net Moisture, and it has 8-hour moisturization in it. So this is looks like it's the full size version, and I'm about to try it out now. Oh, no. This is what it looks like. It smells like ooh. With this virus going around, I hopped on the as soon as I found out I was going to be getting this, or as soon as the campaign popped up, I immediately was like, yes, I'm going to get that. Maybe one more pump. I don't know why I keep sniffing it. My hands do feel moisturized after using it. Alrighty, so what is in it is obviously the rubbing alcohol is in it. I say rubbing alcohol, but it's like it could be any kind of alcohol. Like rubbing alcohol thing. Says hand sanitizer to help reduce bacteria in the skin. It's for external use only, flammable, avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children, except under adult supervision. If irritation develops, stop using it. Wet hands thoroughly with product and lightly until dry. Do not wipe or rinse. Store below 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Alrighty, so this is cruelty. It looks like it says it's cruelty free, and the bottle is 100. It looks like it is recyclable via that symbol right there. Alrighty, I think I could get a few more uses out of this before I can get the going to review it. Alrighty. Also, shout out to Christy. I'll link her video down there in the description. She subbed me last week, I think, and I was not expecting that, so thank you, Christy. Also, I will be in a YouTuber's video, Pink Stylist. I will link, when he uploads that video, I will link it down in the description. It was his yearly Halloween read-along that he does every year, and it's usually when he goes on a medical to do it, and I was surprised to actually be able to get to him. I kept reconnecting to a lot of people, so like I said, I will link that video down there in the description as soon as he uploads it. And I will link to, I'll link that video once he uploads it, if I remember it. Haley, if you're watching, remind me, please. I will be using the, nail polish. I just haven't yet, because I still have nail polish in my fingers, and I haven't been to go get any nail polish remover. Alrighty. Sorry, this is right now I'm looking, still yet to use some of the products that I've gotten in my Ipsy bags this month. I am using the let's see, do I have it on here? the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter on my lips right now. I like it, and if I remember correctly, Christy, I think you got this too. It's the BoxyCharm box for this month, and that has retail value of $20, which I think would be worth it. So yeah, I'm thinking about maybe one of these days creating like look with my makeup. I know I keep saying that. Let's see. I don't even know what all I have in here. I'm kind of using this bag as like my makeup my brush bag. These are all of the brushes that I've gotten, except for maybe like one, which all of the brushes that I have in here, except for one, came from either Ipsy or the majority of them came from Ipsy. Alright, let's see which one is the one. Alright, this, out of all the brushes here, this one my aunt had. And I think that's the only one of all these brushes that she has. Everything else came from either Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And the only brushes that I'm not including with these are ones that were already in a bag. They already have their own bags. Well, their own bag, I should say, because there's like 5 of them in there. I gotta look for it as soon as I put my brushes in here. Alright, so let's see. This is the Glam Bag Ultimate bag. I think, yeah. Alright, let's see. The Luna Magic, which I think I got in my BoxyCharm, finally came in as last month, which is right here, and those brushes retail for $18, which I have used them, and I've already cleaned them. So I think I used all except for maybe one of these, which might be this one is the only one I didn't use, but the other 3 I did use on my eyes. Alright, so it's like one of these days I will do like a full, like a tutorial or something. Ooh, Halloween's coming up, so I might do a look for Halloween, just like a random look. I don't know yet what kind of look I will do. Alright, so it's like I have tons of makeup to do until I play with. Like I have all these palettes. The majority of what's in my drawer came from Ipsy and BoxyCharm. The only things that I bought outside of Ipsy and BoxyCharm are these palettes right here. Sorry, it's like I know you hear like a lot of cluttering. I'm just getting the 3 palettes I got. Alright, so I got these 3 palettes I got this palette, and I go look at the shade differences on these 2. Alright. Well, there goes the shade I was looking for the other day. Alright, so these 2 I got from Beautylish. And this one I got off of Jeffrey's website itself. I think I paid like $58, I think. I'm not quite sure. My memory's a bit fuzzy on that. So yeah, I got these off of that. Jeffrey's website and the Beautylish app. Alright, so let's see. I was thinking of the other day, I was thinking of the shade Put It Back. It's not in that palette, but it's, And this palette, which is this shade right here, it's like this emerald emerald colored kind of thing. And I don't know why I'm thinking of Wizard of Oz with Emerald City. Alright, so it's like I think I might use something from this. I'm not sure. If I do wind up using one of these 3 palettes, I might go in with my rights here on my eyes. Just try try to go with a black eye. Like try to do my eyes. Kind of like when I fell off my bike last year. Let's see if I can try to find it on here. Let's see here. Where is... There we go. Trying to find the, picture. Oh, but first, this is the YouTuber I'm talking about, Charlie, Pink Stylist. And I used... that's me right there. I had used... Let's see if I can get it out to show y'all. Also, I have like all my eyeliners in this bag. It's like, why not go ahead and like use use some of the bags for smaller things. I'm trying to find it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I somehow remembered that eyeliner I used. Alright, so I used maquillage in ink liner black. Wait, is that upside down? Yeah, that's upside down. Alright. This is like, it's like a felt tip, kind of. And I was able to, like, swatch it like this. And it's like, I thought maybe it's like, why not go ahead and use that as, like, makeup. Not much makeup, but it's like, thought maybe go ahead and, like, try to use it. As I was, getting ready to go hop on Omegle on my iPad, I was like, blink. I just drew on my face. So, he said, most likely will be in the video. So, it's going to be my first time being in a YouTuber's video. Alright, so, look at me, I'm randomly going. Alright. I think at the end of the year, I might do a video on, like, what I liked about what I've gotten in my Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes this year. Which I have a drawer full of stuff. A lot of the stuff I still would need to use. I would like to try to use. Well, I do not want to leave that like that. I want to try to use a lot of these products as like a test review, as like a test on it. I haven't used some of these products yet. I have definitely used this palette before, and if y'all remember, I think I used the Put It Back shade in a video. I think I used that in the previous video, and I said I looked like a clown, or it could have been the, canceled shade. I'm not sure which one. So, I might be using one of those shades again. Might be using something from one of these palettes again. I'm not entirely sure. Alrighty, so, I think that's going to be about it for this video, because I'm, like, rambling, going and on and on. The Dodgers won the World Series last night, so that means I get to watch The Masked Singer. Hopefully I'm able to go watch it with my friends next door, if everything goes right. So, that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.